Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with another entry. This would be entry number 2 to my 400 SUBBIE challenge giveaway. I will leave the link to the original video in my description box below so you can go check it out if you do want to get in on the celebration and get in for an entry to win $25 in your PayPal account. It is open to international and US subbies. You must be a visible subbie of my channel and you have to be 18 years or older. Okay, so my next entry is from Velma. She is VSJ Crafts here on YouTube, I believe, but I will link the link to her YouTube channel in my description box below. And if you guys follow Velma, you know she has a tagline that she uses, and so yeah, go check her out to find out how cute, what tagline she uses. How adorable! Look at Minnie, so cute. She's layered this, and I don't know if she made this or if she bought it this way, but this is so cute. Oh my gosh, Velma. I love this stitched, but this is extra big, stitched pattern around the Memorydex. So pretty. Look at how cute her little purse is. So cute, so cute. Thank you, Velma, for your love and support of my channel. I did see your VR, so I appreciate you. Let's find out what we can about Velma. So Velma is from North Carolina. She is VSJ Crafts here on YouTube, and her birthday's in August. She loves the color purple, dogs, and Snickers. She's a beginner crafter, so she's not sure of her style yet. Oh, girl, this is beautiful. I love it. Thank you so much for supporting my channel and for sending in a Memorydex. Thank you, everyone, for all your love and support. If you liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber and would like to join me on my crafty journey, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And until the next video, shakas!